Hey you guys, it's your girl Zaya, y'all, and today in this video, y'all, I'm gonna be showing y'all what I got for my birthday. Period. I just turned 16 last Monday, so my birthday was July the 24th. I'm a Leo, so if you a Leo, gang, go ahead and comment down below. You already know what it is. Leo's always the best. Period. Yes, y'all, I just got my hair done today, so I'm really feeling myself. But let me calm down. So y'all, I'm going to be showing y'all what I got for my birthday, okay? I only got a couple things, but I'm grateful for it. So, period, don't matter. But before we get into this video, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Make sure y'all go follow me on my Instagram, my TikTok. It will be on the screen. If not, it will be in the description box below. So, I got a couple of bags, and then I got some stuff over here, y'all. So before I forget, my hair was my birthday slash my back to school gift. Then y'all, I'm supposed to be getting my nails done this weekend, so that's my gift. And my mom, she ordered me some shoes, which my shoes are like a birthday slash back to school gift too. So I'm waiting on my shoes, y'all, but I was just like, I'm gonna go ahead and get this video out the way because who got time? So let's go ahead and start off. I'm gonna start off in this pink bag right here. Okay, so disclaimer, y'all know I don't want to brag about it. I just want to show people what I got, I see a lot of people doing this video, so I was like, okay, I might as well do it too. So the first thing when I opened it up was some paper, but I got this built-in rechargeable battery where you can sit your phone in here, y'all. I'm gonna make sure I try this tonight. Like you see on the side, you can put your phone in there and it's charged. Like, what? Now that's fine. That's fine right there, y'all. Come on now. Then y'all, my mom, I already seen the gift, y'all, but I'm showing y'all. So my mom, she got me a black Tupac graphic t-shirt, and then she got me some black leggings or biker shorts. I say leggings, some black biker shorts to go with them, y'all. One thing about me, I love graphic t-shirts and I love black, so this was a perfect gift. I love it. That was the first gift. Next, y'all, was I got stuff from Bath and Body Works. But when this wig came with a ball cap, so she just put it in the bag. Then y'all, with the wig, it came with some lashes. So she got me Wild Sand. So she got me the lotion. She got me the shower gel. And she got me the perfume. I needed some new stuff from Bath and Body Works. I usually just get the gel, but I really need more perfume. So, yes. And this. Okay. And y'all, in this Victoria's Secret bag, I actually have a bunch of stuff in here. So, let me just go ahead, get into it. So, first, y'all, I got me some Crocs. Don't play with me. I got some Jibbitz, or how you say, Jibbitz or Gibbets? I don't care, don't matter. But the things that go on top of these, I got some of those I think it's in my drawer somewhere. So I've been wanting blue for so long. Now I need to get some blue outfits. I've been saying blue, but barely got blue outfits. So let's see how they go. Then y'all, I got me a nice little gift from Pandora. Okay, already dropping stuff. So Pandora, y'all see it. I got me a bracelet. So it's like half of a heart. Can y'all see it? You can't really see it because of the plastic, but it's like half of a heart, and my mom has the other one. Wait, no, it's two in here. So my mom, she's gonna get the other one, and I'm gonna get one. It's a heart, but it's broken. So yeah, that's cute. That's fine. Now that's fine. I'm gonna make sure I put that on in the morning. Then y'all, my mom, she got me some underwear from Vic Pink, but I'm not finna show my underwear. I mean, there you go. You ain't gotta see it like that. So yeah. One thing about me, I love getting my panties from Pink. I don't know. Me and my granny, we love Pink. So yeah. Then y'all, she got me this pink set, which I already got the hoodie. So like, we're gonna have to take this one back. I already got this black hoodie. It says pink on there, but the one I got is a zip up, but it's still by near the same. So we're gonna take this one back. And then we got some jogging pants. It has pink in the front. And yeah, Y'all, I'm a pink fan. Like, I love pink, okay? Next thing I got, y'all, is some shoes. Which, like I said, my mom already ordered me some shoes off of GOAT. I just seen her a couple that I wanted, so I don't even know which one she bought. So, yeah, I really don't even know which one she got for me. But she went to City Gears today, and she got me some new Air Forces, period. Because the ones I got, baby, look a hot mess. Why these look different? These look different, y'all. Or maybe I ain't wore Air Forces in a minute. But they look so long. They look so... Y'all, I promise y'all. Why is this giving... This is a 5.5. Okay. I don't know. It's giving big, but it'll do. I'll take it, baby. It looks long. So I got another set. Well, this ain't another set, but I got this from H&M. Well, my mom got it at H&M. But it's a tan little set. Little jogging pant. Got this little sweatshirt that goes with it. So this is cute. This is cute, y'all. Last but not least, y'all, if y'all don't know me, I love making gift baskets for people. So my mom made one for me. So I'm gonna just pull out everything that she got me. So first, y'all, she got me some lashes. And I feel like I got these somewhere. Look, hold on. Look, I got these in my drawer. Look, I got 2 pair. Well, more lashes for me. That's the lashes. Then, y'all, she got me some M&M's, some Reese cups, and she got me some white chocolate. Period. Don't play with her. Then, y'all, she had got me some makeup wipes because she said I always get her makeup wipes in do. So she got me my own pack. Y'all, this thing thick. Anyways, y'all, this got 40 wipes in there. So, yeah. Then, y'all, we got me a pair of socks. And I just got some socks at Walmart a couple days ago. But anyways, more the better. Then, y'all, she had got me some soap. But I already used the soap today. So, before y'all be like, why are you recording this video so long? I've been out of town. I've been out of town for like the last week. Like, I was out of town for my birthday. So, like, I'm just now getting back home. And so, that's why I was like, I might as well do this video. For the ones that are like, girl, your birthday's last week. Why are you just not recording this? August the 1st. Calm down, okay? So, yes, y'all, I've been gone. And I was like, okay, yeah, when I get back, it's up, period. But, yes, y'all, I think that's really it. I guess, y'all, that was the end of this video. And that's everything that I got from my Sweet 16, period. But make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Make sure y'all go follow me on my Instagram and my TikTok. And I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye, guys.